Hello，好啦，咁上次咧我哋就講完呢個 sensory cortex 啦，咁今次呢個 video 咧我哋就講 motor cortex 同埋 motor control 嘅一個 cortical level 啦。咁即係接住嚟呢幾條片咧，我個 pace 都會開始快翻少少噶啦，因為即係大家習慣咗，即係慢慢習慣咗 cortical 一啲 terminology 啦，即係一啲knowledge 嘅 flow 或者 thinking 嘅 flow 啦，咁好多嘢我唔會再特登 repeat 多一次啦。咁呢個 video 咧就相對上咧 straightforward 少少嘅。嗱，就唔係話 motor control 呢樣嘢好 straightforward，係因為佢太過複雜啦，所以變咗呢條 video 咧，我都唔會講太多好複雜嘅嘢。咁我 mainly 都係講翻又係又係我哋理解 cortex 嘅三個步驟，就係第一有啲咩 cortical area involved in motor control 啦。第二呢啲 area 點樣 connect 埋一齊咧？第三就係一個 overall view。咁但係咧，你會見到呢條 video 咧，即係第一 part 就係 areas involved in motor control，我哋有 primary motor cortex 啦、premotor 同埋 supplementary motor 啦、frontal eye field 啦，同埋一啲 association cortex 啦。但係去到一個 overall view 嘅時候咧，就變咗有好多嘢我哋係 miss out 咗嘅，例如 basal ganglia 我哋係未講噶啦 cerebellum 都要一齊講埋啦，所以一個 overall view of motor control 咧係冇辦法喺呢條 video 裏面講到出嚟，因為太過複雜啦。咁變咗其實呢一 part 咧，我純粹會做一個好 brief 嘅 introduction 或者一個好 brief 嘅 outline 咁就算噶啦。咁最後其實即係呢啲 cortex 點樣 connect 埋一齊咧？如果你 neglect 個 overall view 嘅話咧，其實都好簡單，就係 ultimately 我哋嘅 primary motor cortex 係最終個即係 execution 嘅 cortical area 啦。咁另外嗰啲咪就係之前去 planning 啊、programming 啊之後 project 去 M1 cortex 啦。其實即係如果你純粹想 get 一個 overall impression of motor control at cortical level，頭先我講完嘅嘢已經 summarize 晒所有嘢㗎啦。咁但係咁我哋都要知道啲 detail 啊。咁我哋就由 primary motor cortex 開始啦。好啦 ，primary motor cortex 我哋叫佢 M1 啦 ，Brodmann area 4。佢喺邊度嘅咧 ？Precentral gyrus 啦，同埋個 anterior paracentral lobule。嗱，俾幅圖大家睇。呢度記唔記得我認過 hemisphere 嘅 lateral aspect？首先認嗰條 central sulcus 先啦。咁 central sulcus 前呢個 gyrus 就我哋嘅 precentral gyrus 啊嘛。咁所以咧，藍色呢個咧就係我哋嘅 primary motor cortex 啦。咁但係 primary motor cortex 同埋 sensory cortex 一樣，都會 extend 去到 medially above 個 cingulate sulcus 噶嘛。咁就係呢一個位置嗱，呢一度係我哋 cingulate sulcus，呢度係 corpus callosum。佢將個腦嘅 medial side 咧反咗過嚟，係啦，180度反咗上去，係啦。咁你見到咧呢一個咧，其實就係我哋個 paracentral lobule，係淨係 medial side 先見到嘅。嗱，呢條係我哋嘅 cingulate sulcus 啊嘛，記唔記得呢條係咩啊？呢條係 cingulate sulcus 嘅 marginal branch 嘛，而 central sulcus 只係 extend 稍為 medially 去到呢度嘅啫嘛。anterior paracentral lobule 就係講緊呢一個 lobule 嘅 anterior part，即係 anterior to 個 central sulcus 個 part， 係啦。咁所以我哋成個 primary motor cortex 咧，其實係包含咗 postcentral gyrus， 再加埋呢個嘅 anterior paracentral lobule。好啦。咁我哋知道佢喺邊度之後咧，就再講下佢個 homunculus 啦，即係之前我哋講嘅 somatotopic map。咁其實佢 similar to S1 cortex 咧，我哋嘅 primary motor cortex 都係一個 somatotopic map 啦。basic organisation 都係一樣噶啦。face 就係最 lateral 啦 ，leg lower extremity 就係最 medial 啦。咁大家可以記嘅就係條脷係最側邊啦，然之後 face 就係上少少啦。手指啊嗰啲喺中間啦，之後就係 arm、leg、feet。OK， 咁呢個好簡單啦。咁有咩 clinical significance 啊？又係關 arterial territory 事啦。你見到我 arterial territory 係兩條 artery supply 噶嘛 ？middle 唔係 middle meningeal， 係 middle cerebral 啦，佢係 supply 個 lateral area of 個 primary motor cortex 啦。anterior cerebral 就 supply medial area 啦。咁所以如果我哋有個 ACA 嘅 stroke 嘅話，就係 more likely 影響 lower extremity 同埋 foot 啦，或者即係 hip and trunk 呢啲位置啦。如果我哋 MCA stroke 嘅話，最 profound 嘅 weakness 就當然係 upper limbs 啦、hand 啦，尤其是 face and lips 啦，會有 upper motor neuron type 嘅 face paralysis 啦，記唔記得點樣樣啊？係 contralateral 嘅，淨係 lower face paralysis 啊嘛，因為我哋 upper face 係 receive bilateral 嘅 cortical innervation 噶嘛。好啦，咁呢啲就好 basic 嘅嘢，咁相信大家睇完即係 sensory 嗰個 video 都 get 到我講緊咩㗎啦。好啦，咁 primary motor cortex exactly 嘅 function 係咩咧？嗱，大家睇呢段啦，佢係 function in 個 execution 執行 execution of voluntary skilled distinct 同埋 well-defined 嘅 motor activity， 即係簡單講咧，佢就係去執行一啲好細緻同埋一啲係即係一啲好 distinct 嘅 motor activity。咩意思咧？譬如我哋手指嘅 movement， 即係佢係好 well-defined 噶嘛。譬如我想喐隻食指，咁就係由呢個 primary motor cortex 去 execute 啦。咁咩叫一啲唔係 distinct 嘅 movement 咧？譬如一啲 postural 嘅 adjustment， 即係你成個上身 orient 去左去右啊。譬如你喺打拳之前紮馬啊，即係穩定咗個人嘅 hip 啊，嗰啲就叫一啲唔係 distinct 嘅 movement 啦。distinct 嘅 movement 咧，通常都係可以好 clearly 咁去 define 佢我邊個 joint 喐咗啊，或者係 exactly 邊一個 body part 係喐緊，即係譬如你 flex and 或者即係 flex and extend 你個 wrist joint 咁，咁呢啲就算係一啲比較 distinct 嘅 movement 啦。咁佢 especially important for 個 execution of distal limb movement， 尤其是係 fingers 係啦，尤其是你手指嘅 movement， 因為你手指係 receive 好多嘅 cortical spinal tract fibre 噶嘛。咁所以我哋 playing a piano 咧就係一個 example of skilled movement performed and executed by 個 primary motor cortex。咁一個好重要嘅點咧就係M1 嘅 neuron 咧，佢係 code for 啲咩啦？呢度有少少 neurophysiology 嘅即係 component 喺入邊嘅啦。咁即係再不厭煩嚟講多次啦。由上次嗰條片開始咧，其實所有嘅 cortex 嘅 video 咧都會撈咗 neurophysiology 嘅 knowledge 落去㗎啦。咁我 basically 會將 neurophysiology 同埋 neuroanatomy 咧嘅 content 撈埋一齊講，咁即係 basically 核同核撈埋一齊啦。咁咧，所以如果大家去到某啲位覺得咦呢樣嘢好似未見過咁咧，咁唔緊要，因為你之後 likely 喺 neurophysiology 個 block 咧都會見到。咁所以呢個 video 咧，我係撈咗一啲 motor physiology 同埋個 motor cortex 嘅 anatomy 嘅嘢一齊講嘅。好啦，咁翻去正題啦。M1 neuron 咧，佢係 code for 一啲乜嘢parameter 咧？佢唔係 code for force for individual 嘅 muscle。譬如我話我想喐個 biceps 咧，就唔係由 M1 neuron 去 code 嘅。M1 嘅 neuron 咧係 code for individual 嘅 movement。譬如咩叫 individual movement 啊？ elbow joint flexion 就係一個 individual 嘅 movement 啦。finger flexion at 個可能proximal interphalangeal joint 都係一個 individual 嘅 movement。咁所以咧 M1 嘅 neuron 咧，其實佢係 code for 一啲 more general 嘅東西，因為你一個 individual 嘅 movement 你可以 involve 好多嚿 muscle 噶嘛。咁所以我哋 M1 嘅 neuron 呢啲 upper motor neuron 咧，佢係 project 落去 lower motor neuron， 而 lower motor neuron 咧再 code for 個 individual muscle 嘅 force。正係因為我哋 M1 neuron 咧，佢會 project onto multiple 嘅 lower motor neuron 啊嘛，而每一個 lower motor neuron 就可能會 control 一個 group 或者一嚿 muscle 啦。咁所以咧，我哋一個 M1 嘅 neuron 咧，其實佢係會同時 lead to 好多組唔同嘅 muscle 嘅 contraction， 而呢一啲 muscle 咧 collectively 咧，佢 responsible for 一個 distinct 嘅 movement 係啦。好啦，咁我哋 primary motor cortex 有啲咩 afferent connection 咧？嗱，咁啊呢一堆嘢啦，但係呢一堆嘢就而家列出嚟咧冇乜意思，因為大家其實都未知道呢啲係咩嚟噶嘛。咁我哋有 premotor 同 supplementary motor cortex 啦，呢啲係一啲 higher order 嘅 motor cortex 啦。我哋有 sensory cortex， 例如我哋嘅可能 somatosensory cortex 啦、sensory association cortex 啦，呢啲就係 for sensory motor control 嘛。係啦，parietal association cortex 亦都係同樣嘅道理啦，佢有 for 一個 spatial coordination of movement， 因為我哋 parietal association cortex 佢係 receive visual 啦同埋一啲 proprioceptive 嘅 input 噶嘛。咁所以佢就 project 去 motor cortex 咧，就可以幫我哋 coordinate 一個 movement with respect to 我哋嘅 peripersonal 或者 extrapersonal 嘅 space。最後佢都 receive cerebellothalamocortical projection 啦。 呢個字好似好複雜咁啦，但係其實係點樣咧 ？cerebellum 佢會 project 去 thalamus 噶嘛 ，fire 個咩啊 SCP 啊嘛 ，thalamus 就再 project 去 cortex 就 fire 個 thalamocortical 嘛 ，fibers。呢啲 fibre 咧 travel in posterior limb of internal 係咪 posterior limb 咧？呢個唔係好記得，你可以翻去睇翻 cortex introduction 嗰條片。睇下先 ，OK， 唔好理佢啦，係啦。所以咧 cerebellothalamocortical projection 其實真係講緊咩咧？即係話我哋個 pontocerebellum， 即係 cerebellum 嘅 lateral hemisphere， 佢嘅 output via 個 superior cerebellar peduncle decussate 咗 reach 咗 contralateral 嘅 thalamus 之後，再經由個 thalamus project 翻上去個 cortex 嗰度咯。咁呢個就係個 cerebellum 點樣將嗰啲可能 calculate 咗嘅一啲 feed forward 嘅 motor command 啦 send 俾個 M1 cortex 做個 execution， 或者將一啲正在進行緊嘅 movement 做一啲 fine tuning feedback correction， 俾翻個 motor cortex 做一啲嘅 correction， 係啦。咁即係當然啦 cerebellum 其實佢 output 到 cortex 嘅唔止係一個 pontocerebellum 啦 ，technically spinal cerebellum 都會嘅。咁到時如果有時間整到 cerebellum 嘅 video， 我再講啦。咁不過呢度就大家暫時知道咗有啲咩 connection 就 OK 啦。好啦 ，different connection of 我哋 M1 cortex 咧。Mainly 大家知道嘅就係 cortical spinal tract 啦，同埋 cortical bulbar tract 啦。咁呢兩個 tract brainstem 講過1000萬次，咁我唔再 reiterate on 佢噶啦。咁大家都知道呢兩個 tract 做咩噶啦。但係咧有趣嘅係 M1 cortex 咧，其實佢淨係 contribute to around 1/3 of 個 cortical spinal tract fibre 嘅啫。咁其他嘅 cortical spinal tract fibre 咧，有啲會 come from premotor 同埋 supplementary motor area 啦，有啲會 come from 我哋嘅 sensory 或者 parietal association 嘅 cortex。咁所以咧，其實我哋大部分嘅 cortical spinal fibre 咧，其實都唔係嚟自個 M1 cortex 喎。咁呢個我哋一陣咧就會再講到有啲咩 significance。好啦，又開始講啲不切實際嘅東西。lesion 好似好 clinical 咁啦，但係其實我哋好少會有一個 lesion 淨係 restricted 咗個 M1 cortex 嘅。咁但係如果我哋真係有一個 experimentally 嘅 placed 嘅 lesion， 或者一個好奇怪嘅 clinical scenario， 我哋淨係 damage 咗個 M1 cortex 啊，咁會發生咩事咧？嗱，呢一 part 咧，我覺得有少少歐思嘅，但係呢啲係所謂嘅真理啦，即係 research show 到嘅東西啦。咁好多人會以為你 damage 個 upper motor neuron 啊嘛，咁咪會有 upper motor neuron sign 咯，咩 hyperreflexia 啊、Babinski 啊、spasticity 啊、咩 spastic paralysis 啊嘛。咁但係其實咧，實際上一個 M1 restricted 嘅 lesion 咧係唔會 cause 我哋 classical 嘅 UMN sign 嘅。佢會有啲咩 result 咧？佢會 lead to 一個 transient 嘅 flaccid paralysis 啦 ，especially for distal 嘅 limb muscle， 即係 fingers 咧係最 severely affected 嘅，係啦，最容易會 affect 到 skilled 嘅 upper limb extremity movement。另外 initially 咧會有 depression of tendon reflex 啦，即係 initially 會有一個 period of hyporeflexia， 但係後來咧個 reflex 咧係會變到 slightly brisker， 即係佢會有翻少少 response， 但係都未至於係真係 upper motor neuron lesion 嗰隻 classical 嘅 hyperreflexia 嘅。然後 positive 嘅 Babinski 咧係有嘅，呢個係 true 嘅，因為 Babinski reflex 我哋喺可能唔知2個月之前，2個月之前 Babinski reflex 仲係 physiological 噶嘛，就係因為嗰陣時我哋 cortical spinal tract 係未 myelinate 啊嘛。咁所以如果我哋 damage 咗個 cortical spinal fibre 或者 damage 咗個 M1 cortex 嘅話咧，亦都會導致一啲類似 damage 咗 cortical spinal tract 嘅問題，就包括其中就係呢個 Babinski's response 啦，係啦。咁但係 spasticity 咧係不會發生嘅。嗱，咩叫 spasticity 啊？其實 spasticity 即係一個 velocity dependent 嘅 increase in resistance to stretch 嘛。即係簡單講咧，你譬如你 stretch 一個 patient 嘅 joints 啊，你 flex 或者應該咁樣，你 extend 佢嘅 elbow joint。如果你慢慢 extend 佢嘅話咧，就冇特別 increase in resistance 嘅。但如果呢個 patient 有 spasticity 嘅話咧，你好快咁樣 stretch 佢個 elbow joint 咧，就會有一個 abrupt 嘅 increase in resistance，呢個就為之 spasticity 啦。咁但係咧，我哋 lesion of M1 alone 咧係唔會 cause spasticity 嘅。其實 spasticity 咧淨係會 occur when 嗰啲 extra pyramidal fibre is damaged。呢個其實係一個 clinically 好重要嘅地方嚟嘅。但係即係我哋 syllabus 裏邊係冇乜點樣提及過呢樣嘢。咁但係如果大家真係有興趣或者有心去睇多啲唔同嘅 reference book 啊或者 journal 嘅話咧，其實你會發現呢一樣嘢咧 spasticity 係淨係 due to damage of extra pyramidal fibre 呢樣嘢咧係好 widely recognized 嘅。其實好多唔同嘅書都有講到，咁但係 for some reason 我哋嘅 syllabus 冇特別提及過啦。咁大家 bear 呢樣嘢 in mind 就 OK 啦。咁但係我覺得即係如果喺考試嚟講咧，譬如佢話即係 damage 個 motor cortex 會發生咩事咧？大家照樣寫翻 upper motor neuron lesion 嘅各樣 sign 就得㗎啦，包括 hyperreflexia 啦、spasticity 啦、Babinski sign 啦、clonus 啦等等等等。好啦，最後咧就係如果我哋 lesion 係 restricted 到個 M1 cortex 咧，一啲 coarse 嘅 voluntary movement 咧係會 preserve 嘅。咩叫 coarse voluntary movement 咧？即係啲 shoulder 啊、hips 啊、knees 啊呢啲 axial 或者 proximal girdle joints 嘅 movement 咧係會 preserve 咗，因為呢啲 postural movement 咧係 control by 個 premotor cortex 同埋個 reticular formation， 即係嗰啲 reticulospinal tract 嘅 function 嚟嘅。記唔記得我哋喺 spinal cord 嘅時候學過 reticulospinal fibre？ 佢係 responsible for 一啲 growth 嘅 postural adjustment， 因為佢係 innervate 一啲 axial 同埋 proximal 嘅 limb musculature 噶嘛。咁所以咧 as long as 我哋 M1 cortex lesion 咗，冇 damage 到 neighbouring 嘅 premotor cortex， 或者冇 damage 到 reticulospinal fibre 嘅話咧，其實呢一啲 growth 嘅 movement 咧係可以 intact 嘅。好啦，咁順帶一提啦，呢個 video 裏邊所有關於 cortical 嘅 lesion 咧，都係 mainly taken from Handbook of Clinical Neurology 嘅其中一個 chapter。嗰個 chapter 好似叫做咩 Frontal Lobe Motor Syndromes 啊。咁大家有興趣可以去翻睇嗰個 reference。咁我應該會喺 description 嗰度 attach 翻條 link 嘅。好啦，咁講完 M1 啦，咁我哋又講下另外一啲 higher order 嘅 motor cortex 啦。第一個咧就係 premotor cortex， 第二個咧就係 supplementary motor area。嗱，呢兩個 area 咧好容易搞亂嘅。因為一開始咧，你會發覺佢哋兩個 function 好似好似咁樣，但其實咧佢哋兩個係有都好 distinct 嘅 characteristic 或者分別嘅。咁我喺呢度咧就同大家詳細講一講佢哋各自係做啲乜嘢。嗱，premotor area 咧佢係 lateral 嘅 Brodmann area 6。我哋唔會叫佢 premotor cortex 係 lateral Brodmann area 6，我哋唔會叫佢 premotor area。點解唔叫 premotor area 咧？因為大部分嘅書咧都係將 premotor area 呢個字咧，佢係意指一個 more general 嘅 term。premotor area 喺好多書裏邊咧，佢係包含埋 supplementary motor cortex 嘅。所以 premotor area 咧，其實以某啲書嘅角度嚟講咧，佢係包含咗 premotor cortex 同埋我哋下面嘅 supplementary motor cortex 嘅。甚至有啲書會話咧， premotor area 咧就係所有一啲 higher 嘅 motor cortex compared to M1 啦，所以 parietal 嘅 association cortex 咧，佢哋都會叫埋做 premotor 嘅 area。咁所以如果我哋淨係指呢個 Brodmann area 6嘅 lateral side 嘅話咧，我哋係叫佢做 premotor cortex， 就盡量唔好叫 premotor area。although 其實喺我哋嘅 syllabus 裏邊咧， premotor cortex 同 premotor area 呢兩個字咧係經常 use interchangeably 嘅。咁所以咧其實就真係冇需要太過糾結呢啲細 terminology 嘅。好啦。premotor cortex 係 rostral to 個 M1 啦，即係 anterior to 佢啦 ，located on the lateral surface of the hemisphere，anterior to 個 precentral sulcus。嗱喺幅圖上面咧，佢係咁樣嘅。嗱呢幅圖咧，綠色嘅就係我哋嘅 primary motor area M1 啦，藍色呢個咧就係我哋嘅premotor cortex 啦。嗱你見到佢淨係 located laterally 噶嘛？ medial 你咧就見唔到佢噶啦 ，medial 同樣嘅位置咧已經俾個 supplementary motor area 咧 occupy 咗噶啦。咁所以大家記得 Brodmann Area 6咧，其實佢係包含晒成個即係 anterior to 個 precentral sulcus、medial 同 lateral 嗰啲位置。即係簡單講咧 ，supplementary 再加 premotor cortex 咧，成個就 around 係 constitute 呢個 Brodmann Area 6。而我哋 premotor cortex 咧，淨係 occupy part of 個 Brodmann Area 6，而係個 lateral surface of 個 Brodmann Area 6。OK， 呢樣嘢要記得咯，俾翻粒星佢先。lateral surface。好啦，嚟到重點啦。premotor cortex 有咩 function 咧？佢嘅 function 係 selection of motor program based on external 嘅 cues。咩叫 external cues 咧 ？For example， 一啲 somatosensory 嘅 information 或者一啲 visual 嘅 stimuli。最好嘅例子咧就係咩咧？譬如我哋打羽毛球啊，大家咁中意打羽毛球，係啦，我哋打羽毛球嘅時候，有個波飛過嚟，咁我哋點樣試咧個 motor program 去打翻個波咧？就係 involve 我哋個 premotor cortex 嘅 function 啦。因為你而家就有個 external cue 嘛，個 external cue 就係 visual stimulus，個波飛緊埋嚟，你 detect 到一個 moving object，咁你就會去即係 based on 而家個 situation 去試一個 motor program，either 去接住個波啦，打走個波啦，避開個波啦。咁 in this case 我哋打緊羽毛球嘛，咁當然就係想將個波打翻佢 opponent 嗰度啦。但係如果而家唔係一個羽毛球啦，佢可能係一個閃避球飛過嚟嘅話，咁你今次 select 嘅 motor program 咪唔同啦。你咪會選擇去避開個波啦。咁當然啦，呢個只係其中一個例子啦。咁另外一啲即係譬如你要 imitate 一個人嘅 movement，譬如而家玩 O-Cam， 咁咧個大組長就喺度教大家 damn beat， 咁你唔識 damn beat 啊嘛，咪跟住去 damn 咯。咁呢啲咧都係一啲所謂嘅 visual cues， 即係你跟住人哋做一啲嘢係 externally driven 嘅，而唔係你 internally 嘅。反而個大組長本身已經學咗嗰段 beat 咧，佢已經即係所謂咩啊？我已經內化咗嗰段 beat 啦，我已經識 damn 噶啦，咁咪自己 damn 出嚟咧，就為之一個 internal 嘅 cues 啊，就係你自己 voluntary 去 initiate 嘅。咁即係當然啦，呢個字唔係用得好好啦。Technically 你 external cue 你都係 voluntary 咁 initiate 嘅，純粹有一啲嘢去 stimulate 你去 initiate 呢樣嘢啫。咁呢一啲好細微嘅 distinction 咧，即係我自己都唔係好識點樣去解釋，因為我讀咗成年，其實最後都好似又唔係乜都冇讀過嘅，但係有啲嘢好難解釋到。咁大家有興趣嘅話，自己再去睇 Principles of Neuroscience，再自己去睇其他 reference book 啦。咁但係呢度咧，我淨係將個 general 嘅 idea 講俾大家聽，因為 motor control 呢樣嘢咧，其實而家都仲有好多 controversy 嘅，即係尤其是關於 premotor 同埋 supplementary cortex 嘅一啲 function 啦。咁我只會將個 general 即係 accepted by 好多 textbook 嘅 idea present 俾大家。咁記得咧就係、是、external cues 就係 premotor cortex 嘅 function 係啦，即係 based on external stimulus 去 select 一啲 motor program。咁當然啦，呢個係佢最 distinct 或者最重要嘅 function。除此之外，亦都有其他 function， 包括 control 我哋嘅 reticular formation。所以咧，我哋嘅 premotor cortex 咧，呢度 premotor cortex 咧，其實佢係會 send 一啲 fibre directly 落去我哋嘅 reticular formation。就係咩啊 ？cortical reticular fibre 啦，係啦。cortical reticular fibre 咧就係會 control 我哋嘅 reticular formation 啦，然後 in turn 影響我哋嘅 reticulospinal tract， 再去 control 我哋嘅 proximal limb 或者 axial 嘅 musculature 啊嘛。咁從呢一個 point 咧，我哋可以推斷下一個 point 就係、其實佢係 prepare 個 body for movement。點樣 prepare 個 body for movement 啊？又係一啲關於 neurophysiology 嘅 knowledge 啦。嗱，我哋 motor control of axial 同埋 proximal limb musculature 咧係 by 個 cortical reticulospinal 嘅 pathway 噶嘛。而係一啲 impending 嘅 movement， 譬如你而家做個 experiment 啦，我叫你 pull on 一個 door handle。咁你 pull on 呢個 door handle 之前咧，其實你會有一啲preemptive 或者即係喺你 actual 嘅 movement 發生之前咧，你會有其他嘅 postural 嘅 anticipatory 嘅 movement 咧已經發生咗，咁啊令到你喺真正想 execute 你個 desired movement 嘅時候咧，可以 stabilize 到呢個人。好啦， 呢啲咧好抽象，我俾一個實質嘅圖大家睇，可能會清楚啲。就係呢個圖啦。咁呢個圖咧，大家到時去到 neurophysiology 嘅 lecture 嘅時候咧，都可能會見到。呢個咧係一個好 classical experiment 啦。而家咧就有個sound source 啦。個 patient 係 instructed 就做咩咧？個 patient 咧，即係個醫生就同個 patient 講：嗱，你而家聽到個 voice 或者即係聽到個 sound cue 之後咧，就 pull on 呢個 door handle 啦。咁然之後咧，個 patient 全身上下手腳咧就俾人貼咗啲 EMG electromyography 啊，係應該 electromyography 啦。係啦，佢就貼咗啲 EMG electro 喺度，就 measure 佢個 muscle 嘅 activity。咁啲 researcher 咧就發覺，好得意喎！原來個 patient 喺 activate 個 biceps 之前，係 unconsciously 地 activate 咗佢嘅 gastrocnemius。咁點解咧？就係因為我哋 pull on 個 door handle 嘅時候，其實會變咗我哋成個人都拉前咗噶嘛。Newton's third law 啊 ，action and reaction 啦。咁 in order to stabilize 我哋嘅 body prior to 呢個 movement， 去 prevent 我哋嘅 body from tipping forward during 個 actual movement 咧，我哋嘅 premotor cortex 就會 send signal 落去個 reticular formation via 個 reticulospinal tract 咧，去 induce 個 contraction of 我哋嘅 gastrocnemius before 個 actual onset of 我哋嘅 desired movement，which is to pull on 個 door handle。當個 gastrocnemius 已經 preemptively contract 咗咧，佢就會令到我哋嘅 body less likely to tip forward during 呢個 actual 嘅 voluntary desired movement 咯。咁所以咧，呢一啲就係一啲 anticipatory 嘅 postural adjustment。係啦。咁呢啲 anticipatory postural adjustment 咧，就係 achieved by 個 premotor cortex 同埋佢 control 嘅 reticulospinal tract。係啦，咁所以大家將呢一段嘢讀一次，咁就會明白我頭先講緊啲咩㗎啦。最後咧，一個比較少提及到，但我自己覺得幾重要嘅東西咧，就係 premotor cortex 咧，其實佢 contain 一個 mirror neuron system。呢個 mirror neuron system 係做咩嘅咧？就係其中一啲 groups of neuron 咧，佢唔單止係 respond to 一個 particular action， 即係唔單止係 respond to 你自己 activate 一個 action， 亦都 respond to the site of an action 或者其他 information related to 呢一個 action。嗱，呢個又係好抽象，又俾個圖大家睇。嗱，呢隻馬騮咧，佢就係我哋嘅實驗對象啦。咁呢隻馬騮咧，當佢食花生啦，係啊，大家最中意食花生噶啦。好啦，佢食花生，剝開個花生殼，啪一聲咧，佢個 premotor cortex 咧就有一組嘅 neuron 咧係會 fire rapidly。同一 group 嘅 neuron 咧，喺隻馬騮見到其他人剝花生嘅時候咧，都會 activate strongly， 或者甚至係聽到有人剝花生嗰個聲嘅時候咧，都會 activate。呢啲之所以叫 mirror neuron， 就係因為佢係 allow 我哋去可能去 mirror 一啲嘅 external 嘅 action 或者 external 嘅 stimulus。譬如就係有個人叫你你而家扮我做啲嘢啊，譬如嗰人即係可能做緊一啲嘅 hand movement 咁啦，咁啊即係上下左右咁樣喐。咁如果你要 mimic 佢嘅 action 嘅話咧，其實你都係 likely 要用到呢個 mirror neuron system， 因為咧佢係 respond strongly to not only 你自己 initiate 嘅 action， 仲有人哋 initiate 關於嗰一個 action 嘅一啲 information 啊嘛。咁所以個 mirror neuron system 咧 essentially 佢 allow 我哋去 mirror 一啲 external world 嘅stimuli， 即或者 at least 去 respond to 一啲唔係好識解釋添，或者咁樣講啦。佢會 invariably 咁樣 respond to 關於一個 particular action 嘅 external cue 咯。呢個已經係我諗到一個最好嘅解釋。即係通常就係尤其是啲關於 cortex 嗰啲嘢咧，最難就係咩啊？我唔識點樣去 formulate 一啲正確嘅字眼去解釋嗰啲嘢，因為有時有啲字好奇怪，即係 motor program、motor plan、motor representation 一大堆唔同嘅字咧，有時真係搞到我都好 confused。咁大家 明就明，唔明就算啦。因為呢個又唔係話真係好 in C 嘅我諗。但係咧，其實 Mirror Neuron System 咧喺我哋嚟緊嘅其中一個 video 就係 explain apraxia 嘅時候咧係好重要嘅，因為佢 explain 到點解有啲有 apraxia 嘅 patient internally generated 嘅 movement 係 impaired 啦，但係靠 external cue mimic 嘅 movement 係 intact 嘅。咁呢個到時大家再同大家講啦。咁呢個 not too important 其實，如果唔 get 嘅話就算係啦。好啦，咁我哋而家再講下 premotor cortex 嘅 afferent 同 efferent connection 啦。嗱 afferent 包括 posterior parietal cortex 啦 ，relay 一啲 visual spatial information 做個 premotor cortex 啦。另外 cerebellum 同 basal ganglia 嗱 premotor cortex 嘅 afferent 咧，其實大部分咧都係 from 個 cerebellum 嘅。咁就係 via 邊個 nucleus of thalamus 啊 ？VL nucleus 啊嘛 ，ventrolateral 嘛。via basal ganglia 咧都係 ventrolateral nucleus， 但係呢個佔一個少啲嘅部分。basal ganglia 嘅 efferent 咧 mainly 係去 supplementary motor cortex 嘅。咁點解佢要 receive cerebellum 嘅 information 咧？就係佢 convey 一啲 proprioceptive 同埋 spatial information about 個 body 嘅 position in space 啊嘛。我哋嗰啲咩 dorsal spinal cerebellar tract 啊 cuneo cerebellar tract 啊，佢 reach 咗 cerebellum 之後，佢會 carry 呢啲嘅 unconscious 嘅 proprioceptive information 去我哋嘅 cerebellum 嗰度噶嘛。然之後個 cerebellum 就會再 in turn process 咗呢啲 information，send 呢啲 information 上去個 cortex 嗰度 inform 個 premotor cortex about 我哋嘅 current state of the body。譬如頭先嗰個 experiment 嘅例子，我哋企喺度拉一個 handle 啦，咁個 body 都要知道自己隻腳係喺咩狀態去調整我哋嘅 postural adjustment 噶嘛。如果我哋企喺度嘅話，咁當然你個人一拉就會烏向前啦，咁你就要 activate 你嘅 gastrocnemius， 令到你個 leg 唔好 tip forward 啦。咁但係如果呢個人係坐喺度嘅話，你就冇需要 activate 你隻腳嘅 muscle 咯，因為你 activate 你個 gastrocnemius 係冇用噶嘛。咁喺呢個時候咧，你就可能會 activate 你嘅back 嘅 extensor muscle 啦，例如嗰啲咩 erector spinae 啊嗰啲去 stabilize 翻你個 upper trunk 嘅 posture 啦。咁雖然頭先呢段嘢其實我唔知係咪真係咁樣，但係即係喺現實上，我哋亦都會有一啲 depending on 你 body 嘅 state 嘅一啲 postural adjustment 咯。即係你同一個動作，但係你個 body 嘅 state 係唔同，你嘅 anticipatory postural adjustment 咧都會有所不同嘅。咁呢個就係你個 premotor cortex 需要 receive 一啲 conscious 或者 unconscious 嘅 proprioceptive information 嘅原因啦。好啦。Prefrontal cortex 咧，亦都會 project 去我哋嘅 premotor cortex。Prefrontal cortex 簡單講係做咩咧？嗱，遲啲會有再一條 video 關於成個 prefrontal cortex 嘅。但係簡單嚟講咧 ，prefrontal 就係我哋一個最高嘅 control 啦。佢係話俾我哋聽應唔應該做呢樣嘢？呢個係咪一個 appropriate 嘅 situation？ 或者喺呢個 situation 之下，我做呢樣嘢對我有冇好處？或者我想唔想做呢樣嘢？即係佢係一個最 high order 嘅 control，就係類似 by 我哋嘅 free will 咁啦。所以咧 prefrontal cortex 咧，其實佢 tonically 係有一個 inhibitory effect on 其他嘅 cortex 嘅。而當我哋有一個 will 去做嗰樣嘢，即係我哋 permit 呢樣嘢發生咧，個 prefrontal cortex 就會 kind of 係 lift 咗呢個 inhibition on 個其他嘅 cortex， 例如個 premotor cortex 咁啊，咁啊 lift 咗呢個 inhibition 咧，就會變相係咩？disinhibit 咗個 motor cortex 啦，就令到佢可以 fire， 咁就可以進行我哋嘅 decide action 啦。咁所以咧 prefrontal cortex 即係佢講晒，就係 allow 個 premotor cortex to do or not to do。咁最後咧，佢都會 receive commissure fiber from a contralateral 嘅 premotor cortex 啦。而 efferent fibers of 個 PMC 咧 mainly 係做個 medullary 嘅 reticular formation， 就 control reticular spinal tract。咁頭先講過啦。另外咧，佢亦都係好extensively 咁樣 project to M1， 就係 for execution of selected motor program， 就係 discrete 嘅 movement 啊嘛。記唔記得頭先我一開始講過個 cortical spinal tract 係 control 啲即係 distal 嘅 upper limb movement， 例如即係彈琴啊嘛。咁我哋彈琴當然啦 ultimate 嘅 executor 就係我哋嘅即係 lower motor neuron， 再上一層就係我哋嘅 upper motor neuron at 嗰個 M1 cortex 啦。咁但係我哋 M1 cortex 佢唔識得自己 formulate 一個 motor plan 或者 motor program 噶嘛。咁其實變相咧，我哋個 premotor cortex 咧就會將呢個即係 formulate 好咗嘅 motor program 咧，就 feed 俾我哋 M1 cortex 去教佢要 fire 啲乜嘢 neuron 先至可以 generate 到頭先嗰個 sequence of movement， 即係或者頭先嗰一堆 motor， 即係頭先嗰一堆 motor command 啦，係啦。咁呢啲咧就為之一啲靠 premotor cortex 去 control 嘅 discrete movement。discrete 嘅 movement 咧一定係要 via 個 M1 嘅。但係另外咧，我哋頭先講過 cortical spinal tract 只係得30% 嘅 fiber 係嚟自個 M1 cortex 㗎嘛。其他 cortex 咧有啲係嚟自我哋嘅 premotor cortex。premotor cortex 咧佢 directly contribute to 個 cortical spinal tract 咧，就會 lead to 一啲嘅 mass movements 啊。咩叫 mass movement 咧？即係咧係 基本上 involve 咗成個 contralateral body。例如咧，你成個 trunk 會 turn towards contralateral side 啦。你個頭啊，你隻眼啊，會望去個 contralateral side 啦。然之後你 contralateral 嘅 limbs， 即係譬如你隻 arm 啦，會 elevate 啦、abduct 啦，好似做緊一啲 reaching 嘅 movement 咁啦。你隻腳會 extend 或者 flex 啦。咁就有啲類似咧，一個 BB 仔咧，佢見到食物嘅時候咧，佢就喺度望過去啊，喺度喐啊，即係嗰一啲好 general 嘅 mass movement， 咁就唔係一啲 discrete 嘅 movement。咁所以咧，其實我哋嘅 premotor cortex 咧係 capable of directly controlling lower motor neuron， 但係佢就會 lead to 一啲嘅 mass movement， 即係 involve 好多個 body part、好多個 joint 嘅一啲 gross 嘅 movement。好啦，最後 lesion of 個 premotor cortex 會發生咩事咧？咁其中一個 manifestation 咧就係我哋會有啲 clumsy 嘅 finger movement， 但係咧就冇 loss of strength。點解冇 loss of strength 啊？因為我哋嘅 primary motor cortex 仍然係 intact 噶嘛。但係點解會有 clumsy 嘅 finger movement 咧？呢個就要翻去我哋一個好 general 嘅 idea about premotor 或者 premotor areas 嘅 function 啦。佢就係 involved in programming 啊嘛。佢會試咧一啲嘅 motor program， 就係而家我想彈呢首歌，咁我呢度有一個 sequence of activation， 或者我呢度知道我要同時 activate 啲乜嘢手指嘅 muscle， 或者同時 activate 咩 movement 先至可以達到我 desired 嘅 movement plan 嘅。咁我哋而家 M1 cortex intact 啫，但係嗰個 control M1 cortex 個 program 有事喎，而家冇咗 programming 喎，咁所以咪會 clumsy 嘅 finger movement 咯。因為你而家就會全部手指可能唔知道應該幾時一齊喐，唔知道幾時應該 discretely 咁喐，咁所以咧佢就唔會可以好 fine control 我哋嘅 finger movement 啦。咁而 lesion of 我哋嘅 premotor cortex 咧，亦都會 lead to 一啲 classical 嘅 upper motor neuron sign 啦，例如 hyperreflexia、spasticity 同埋 Babinski's reflex 啦。咁呢一啲咧其實就係 due to 個 de-innervation of即係我哋個 reticular formation， 即係令到我哋 reticulospinal tract 都有事啦。但係呢個咧純粹係一個好 general 嘅解釋。實際上 spasticity 嘅 mechanism 咧係非常之複雜。咁有興趣嘅話咧，可以去睇翻，應該係我記得我 spinal cord 嗰份 notes 應該係 UMN lesion 嗰個 clinical box 咧係有詳細講嘅，但係太複雜啦。咁我喺呢度都冇辦法講得出嚟㗎啦。咁但係 basically 就知道，如果我哋 damage 咗 premotor cortex 咧，就會出現一啲 classical 嘅 UMN signs 就 OK 啦。咁另外咧，其實我呢度咧仲可以加多少少嘢嘅。記得我哋頭先講過啦 ，premotor cortex control reticular formation，reticular formation control proximal limb muscle 嘛。咁所以如果我哋 lesion 嘅 premotor cortex 咧，其實都有一個 slight paralysis of proximal 嘅 limb muscle。咁但係就唔係一個 paralysis， 因為我哋嘅 primary motor cortex 仍然 provide 咗一個 basal 嘅 tone 俾佢啦，可能係啦，即係主要佢唔會完全 de-innervate 咗佢，咁所以就唔係完全地 paralyze， 係一個 paresis of proximal limb muscle。咁最後啦，因為我哋 premotor cortex 嘅 function 就係即係可能 select motor plan 或者 motor program in response to external 嘅 stimuli 或者 external cues 啊嘛。咁所以咧 patient 都會有 difficulty in steering the affected arm accurately during visual guidance of movement 喎。即係咩意思咧？譬如而家抌個波過嚟叫佢接住嘅話咧，佢就會唔識得 integrate 呢一啲 visual spatial information 去 coordinate 佢嘅 upper limb movement。咁所以咧，其實我哋嘅 premotor cortex 咧係 receive 好多嘅 visual spatial information，either directly from 我哋嘅 posterior parietal cortex 啦，或者仲有可以 from 邊度啊 ？indirectly from 我哋嘅 cerebellum， 翻嚟個 cerebellothalamic-cortical projection。咁咧佢就可以 transform 呢一啲 spatial coordinate 咧 into 個 motor system， 就 prepare for movement 同埋 provide external guidance for 我哋 internally generated 嘅 motor control。咁所以咧，即係 exact 咁嚟講咧，我哋 premotor cortex 咧唔係真係純粹係 initiate 一個 movement in response to external cues。即係當然呢個係其中一個 possible 嘅 interpretation 啦。但係有一啲更加好嘅字眼可以點樣形容佢咧？就係佢係 allow external guidance of internally generated 嘅 motor control。因為無論點樣都好，呢個係一個 voluntary 嘅 movement 嚟噶嘛，所以 voluntary 嘅 movement 咧點都係 internally 去 generate 嘅。但係咧，佢就 provide 咗啲 external information 去 guide 我哋 internally generated information， 唔係 internally generated movement。咁不過啦 ，for 一個 simple 啲嘅解釋，我哋都可以話就係咧一個 motor program based on external cues 咯。好啦。咁 basically 咧，關於 premotor cortex 嘅 information 咧，就大約係咁樣啦。好啦，落到嚟 supplementary motor area 或者 cortex 啦，呢個真係 interchangeable 嘅。我見本書都唔同嘅，咁但我哋中意叫佢 SMA 啦。咁 SMA 咧就係 superolateral 同 medial 嘅 Brodmann area 6。落翻去嗰個圖嗰度睇咧，就即係佢紅色嘅位置。嗱，見唔見頭先呢度啊？藍色嘅 premotor 啊嘛，呢度係 premotor cortex 啊嘛，藍色呢度係。紅色呢一個位置咧，中間呢度咧就係 supplementary motor area 啦，係啦，咁所以咧佢同 PMC 一樣，都係 occupy 咗 Brodmann area 6，但係今次咧佢就 occupy 個 Brodmann area 6 superolateral 同埋 medial 嘅位置，係啦，佢呢一撇嘢就喺個 paracentral lobule 前面啊嘛。好啦，睇下先。係啦，咁咩 rostral to M1 extended into medial hemisphere 啦 ，function 啦。嗱 function 咧，我哋就要同 PMC 咧做一個好大嘅 contrast。我特登紅色咗呢個咧，就係因為呢個係佢同PMC 最大嘅唔同。SMA 咧係 selection of motor programs based on internal cues。記唔記得頭先係咩啊？頭先 PMC 係 external cues 啊嘛。呢個俾翻個 VS PMC external cues 係啦。咁咩叫 internal cues 咧？即係一個我哋 remembered sequence of relatively complex movement。嗱，咩叫 complex movement 咧？即係話可能 involve multiple steps 啦，或者involve multiple joints 都可以叫做 complex 嘅 movement。嗱，呢個定義咧好 vague 嘅啫，即係咁講龍門自己搬嘅啫嘛。你話呢個 complex 咪 complex 啦，你話呢個 simple 咪 simple 啦。但係我咧有啲 example 大家都會 agree 係 simple 嘅，例如一隻手指嘅其中一個 joint， 譬如 proximal interphalangeal joint 嘅 repeated flexion 同 extension， 呢個我哋大家都可以 agree 佢係一個 simple 嘅 movement。咁呢個就唔需要 SMA 去 execute 啦，因為佢唔係一個 sequence of complex movement， 其實都唔需要 remember 噶嘛。係呢個純粹一個 simple execution of movement 咧，就只需要我哋嘅，即係如果 in terms of motor area 咧，只需要我哋嘅 M1 去 initiate 嘅啫。好啦，咁記得啦，佢係 select motor program based on internal cues。In other words 咧，佢係 for planning and initiation of internally self-generated automatic 同埋 learned sequence of movement。呢度跌咗呢個字先，係 for 唔係 form， 係啦。咁有咩 example 咧？即係譬如彈琴咁啦， 即係你彈琴可能你去比賽啦，咁你又冇得睇譜啦，咁你淨係要背咗首歌，就要到時彈出嚟。咁呢啲係真係 internally generate 嘅一啲 movement sequence 啊，因為你係完全冇任何外界嘅干擾，冇外界嘅刺激，你自己 voluntary 靠自己記得嘅呢個 movement sequence 去 initiate 你嘅 action， 呢個就為之 internal cues 啦。咁喺呢個時候咧，你嘅 supplementary motor area 咧就會非常之 active 啦。好啦，咁另外 SMA 亦都有其他嘅 function 啦，例如 coordinate 個 temporal sequence of action， 即係簡單講就係先後次序啦。係啦，咁仲有一個咧好重要嘅 function，bimanual coordination， 即係兩隻手同時去做一個 task。嗱，記住 bimanual coordination 咧係講緊兩隻手去 cooperate 去做一個 task， 係 cooperation。佢唔係講話兩隻手做緊同一樣嘅嘢。如果你兩隻手做緊同一樣嘅嘢咧，就唔係叫 cooperation 㗎啦。咁一陣咧，我可能再同大家講幾個例子。好啦，除咗 bimanual coordination 之外咧，佢都係 associated with axial 同埋 proximal limb musculature 嘅 contraction 啦。咁呢個 function 咧同 premotor cortex 咧係有少少相似嘅，係啦。咁最後啦 ，in motor physiology 嘅 context 咧，個 SMA 係 involved in 一個 kinematic to dynamic 嘅 transformation。kinematic 係咩咧？就即係我哋中學學過啲 physics 啊嘛 ，kinematic equation 嗰啲咩 v square 啲咩 u square 加 2as 啊，希望冇記錯啦。即係簡單講咧，係關 velocity 啦、acceleration 啦、joint angle 啦、distance 啦、displacement 啦呢啲咁嘅 parameter 係啦。Kinematics 就係 distance and angle that define a particular movement in space 啦。Dynamics 咧就係講緊我要用幾多力 ，amount of force necessary to make a movement。咁我哋嘅 supplementary motor area 咧，佢就會將我哋 body， 即係我哋個 brain 裏邊一個 abstract representation of 呢個 movement 係 in kinematic terms 噶嘛。佢會將呢個 abstract 嘅 kinematic terms 咧，去 convert 咗一個 dynamic 嘅 representation。就將呢個 dynamic 嘅 information feed 俾 M1 cortex， 話俾佢聽，我而家要俾幾多 force 佢去 initiate 呢個 movement。咁所以咧，我哋嘅 SMA 咧 kind of 可以 act as 一個中轉站 between high association cortex 同埋我哋嘅 M1 cortex。我哋 high association cortex 唔能夠直接同 M1 溝通嘅原因係咩咧？就因為我哋 internally represent 嘅 action 咧係好 abstract 嘅。佢係一個 motor representation， 可能 in kinematics， 甚至係更加 abstract 一啲我都唔識點樣形容嘅 sense 啦，或者 representation 啦。咁呢啲嘢咧就要透過 SMA 去將佢變得具體化，要話俾個 M1 聽，而家我要 fire 邊幾個 neuron， 咁就可以 produce 到幾大嘅 desired force 去進行我呢個嘅 movement 咯。咁咧頭先可能講得有少少複雜，有少少 vague 啦，唔需要擔心，因為之後咧。我會有一個 video 係 dedicated to internal representation of action and space 係啦，咁就係關 parietal association cortex 嘅係啦，咁大家到時咧就先再 revisit 翻呢一個 concept。好啦，咁講完佢嘅 function 啦，咁而家就講下佢嘅 afferent 同 efferent connection。afferent connection 咧亦都有 from parietal association area 啦。嗱頭先記唔記得 premotor cortex 都有 from parietal association area？但今次咧，佢就唔係或者 not mainly receive from 即係 visual spatial 嘅 parietal association area， 因為嗰啲係 external cue 嘛，嗰啲就係去 premotor cortex 噶嘛。今次 parietal association area 咧係 feed 啲咩 information 俾佢咧？就係我哋頭先講嘅呢啲 kinematic 嘅 abstract representation， 一啲 abstract 嘅 motor representation within，for example 我哋嘅 supramarginal gyrus。嗱呢個唔使驚，之後會再講嘅，之後嘅 video 會再講。咁當然啦，佢 receive information from S1、S2 啦。咁呢個 exactly 係做咩咧？都可能係一啲 sensory motor control， 即係其實 PMC 同埋 SMC 咧 functionally 咧佢係有 overlapping 嘅地方嘅，係啦。咁但係我頭先特登 highlight 嘅咧係一啲佢唔同嘅地方。咁當然啦，其實我哋 SMA 咧亦都有機會係 involved in 即係一啲即係 sensory 嘅 control of motor program， 不過佢嘅role 咧可能冇 PMC 咁重要咁解啫，咁所以佢亦都要 receive S1、S2 嘅 projection。 今次咧佢亦都會 receive basal ganglia 嘅 projection via 個 ventrolateral nucleus of thalamus 啦。basal ganglia 係做咩咧？嗱，可能大家未學啦，佢就係 for selection and facilitation of desired movement plans 係啦，即係簡單講咧，你經過個 basal ganglia 之後咧，點樣講咧？我好籠統咁講一次啦。Basically 就係我哋嘅 cortex， 可能 association cortex 啦，就會 feed 啲 information 俾我哋嘅 basal ganglia。個 basal ganglia 咧就好似一個過濾器咁樣，佢 filter out 咗啲唔應該進行嘅 motor program， 就 concentrate 咗一啲我哋 desire 嘅 motor program， 就俾翻我哋嘅 supplementary motor cortex。咁樣咧就可以 ensure 到我哋進行嘅 movement 咧係一個 desired 同埋正確嘅 movement 啦。你當係咁樣啦，係啦。好啦，咁另外咧 prefrontal cortex 咧都會 project 去我哋嘅 SMA 啦。咁佢就係 activate 個應該唔係 PMC 呢個 SMA，sorry 係啦。我哋嘅 dorsolateral prefrontal cortex 咧就會 activate 個 SMA when we intend to make a movement。啲英文有啲錯啊！我近排都做乜嘢 ？intend to make a movement regardless of whether the movement is ultimately performed 啦。咁即係話咧，一個好得意嘅地方就係、我停一停啊！我寫咗呢個嘢先，係啦，就係呢度啦。我哋嘅 SMA 咧，原來 active 唔單止 during 一個 movement， 佢都係 active during 一個 mental rehearsal of a movement 嘅。呢個幾重要，呢啲係一啲 experimental 嘅 study 去 find out 嘅一啲嘢。咁所以咧，佢 SMA 同埋 PMC 一個幾唔同嘅地方咧，就係 SMA 咧喺我哋一路進行 movement 嘅時候咧，都係一路 active 緊嘅。但係 premotor cortex 咧，佢 mainly 係喺我哋進行個 movement 之前係更加 active。當我哋 movement 開始咗之後咧，佢就會慢慢 diminish 咗噶啦，佢嘅即係active firing。好啦，咁最後啦 ，SMA 嘅 efferent 咧就會去 bilateral 嘅 M1 cortex 啦。點解係 bilateral 啊？因為我哋頭先講過，佢係 important in bimanual 嘅 coordination 啦，兩隻手一齊去 cooperate 喎。咁所以佢就 output 晒去兩邊嘅 M1 cortex。咁當然佢亦都係 direct contribution to 我哋嘅 cortical spinal tract 啦。咁其實咧，我哋 PMC 同埋 SMA 兩個夾埋咧，係 contribute to around 30% 嘅 cortical spinal tract， 就 similar to M1 嘅 contribution。好啦 ，lesion of supplementary motor cortex 咧，最evidently 咧係會 lead to akinesia 啦，即係 difficulty in initiating movement。因為 SMA 係 for internal cues 去 generate 一個 movement 啊嘛 ，lesion 咗佢就自然會有 difficulty for 即係 in terms of internally generated 嘅 movement 就會 akinesia 啦。bilateral 嘅 lesion 咧就會有一個 total 嘅 akinesia， 完全 initiate 唔到 movement，including akinesia for speech initiation， 即係話咧佢講唔到嘢，因為你想講嘢嘅時候，即係譬如而家我對住個咪講嘢，都冇 external cues 去引發我嘅説話噶嘛，咁都要我哋 internally 有個 willingness 去 generate 呢啲 speech， 透過個 supplementary motor area， 即係或者 related 嘅 broadcast area 先至可以進行到噶嘛。咁所以咧，我哋呢啲 patient 如果佢 bilateral 嘅 SMA lesion 咧，佢會講唔到嘢。咁呢個 combined deficit 咧，即係 akinesia，including akinesia for speech 咧，我哋就會叫佢做 akinetic mutism。mute 即係呢個人係啞噶嘛。咁 akinetic mutism 咧就係呢個 patient 會有一個 intact level of consciousness and sensory motor capacity 啦，但係咧佢個高 directed behaviour 同埋 emotion 咧都會 decrease 咗嘅。呢個字好重要，高 directed 嘅 behaviour 就即係其實我哋頭先講緊一啲 internally generated 嘅 behaviour 啦。點解我哋會 internally 去 generate 一個 behaviour？ 因為我哋一個 goal 啊嘛。譬如我而家對住個咪喺度講嘢，我個 goal係咩？我個 goal就要拍完呢條片咁 將呢個 cortex 嘅 knowledge 講出嚟啊嘛。咁呢個就係我嘅高 directed behaviour 啦。有啲咩唔係高 directed behaviour 咧？就譬如有啲 externally initiate 嘅action 啦，譬如有個波飛過嚟，你會下意識地避開佢嘛。咁呢個就唔係一個高 directed 嘅 action 啦，因為呢個係一個你當係一個 visual spatial coordinated 嘅 reversive movement 啊嘛，係啦。咁雖然都係一個 voluntary 嘅 movement 啦，但係就係我哋好多時就話潛意識地會做，或者係 reflexively 咁去做嗰啲咧，就唔係叫高 directed behaviour 啦。係啦，咁 patient 會有一個 reduction in spontaneous 或者 self-generated voluntary movement 啦 ，particularly 係 contralateral to個 lesion。呢一個咧，我就會叫佢做一個所謂嘅 motor neglect syndrome。即係簡單講咧，就係 contralateral to 個 SMA lesion 咧，個 patient 會好少喐動，好少 exploratory activity， 就好似佢 ignore 咗嗰邊嘅世界咁樣。但係其實咧，佢係感知到嗰邊嘅世界嘅。佢個 sensory capacity 係冇 deficit 嘅，純粹係佢冇個 motor willingness 去 explore 嗰一邊嘅 space。呢一個咧，我哋有 contrast with 另一個 form of neglect 叫做 sensory neglect。而 sensory 或者 spatial 嘅 neglect 咧，我哋喺嚟緊嘅一條片就係講關於 parietal association cortex 咧，就會再詳細再介紹嘅。咁大家暫時知道有兩大類嘅 neglect， 一種係 motor 嘅 neglect， 係 due to 一個 impairment in voluntary 嘅 internally initiated behaviour。另一個 sensory neglect 就係 due to 個 sensory capacity 嘅問題，佢係直情係即係sensorially 佢係 ignore 咗嗰邊嘅 personal 或者 extra personal 嘅 space， 係啦。咁呢個大家要分清楚，唔係話所有 neglect 就係等於 sensory neglect。好啦，最後 lesion of 或者 left sided 嘅 SMA 咧，係會 cause 一個 bilateral 嘅 ideal motor apraxia。我點解特登要 highlight 呢樣嘢咧？因為 lecture 有提及過啦。咁但係 exactly 乜嘢係 ideal motor apraxia， 同埋點解係 lesion of left SMA 先至會 cause 呢樣嘢咧？就又要等到 parietal association cortex 嗰條片先可以再講。咁所以你會發覺咧，其實我哋呢條 motor cortex 嘅片咧冇咩好講，因為好多 higher order 嘅 motor control 咧，其實都唔係由我哋嘅 SMA 去。即係由我哋嘅 motor cortex 去 coordinate 嘅，有更加多 abstract 嘅 representation 咧，係喺我哋 parietal area 裏邊。而我哋要認識埋嗰啲 abstract representation 同埋佢嘅 connection with frontal motor area， 我哋先至可以 explain 到乜嘢係 apraxia， 點解我哋會叫 ideal motor apraxia。好啦，咁呢一個大家暫時記住呢一樣嘢先。咁喺之後嘅 video 咧，我哋會再講翻。最後我哋會有 defects in bimanual coordination。頭先講過咩 bimanual coordination 啊？就係兩隻手合作去做一樣嘢啊嘛。係啦，咁如果 defect in bimanual coordination 會發生咩事咧？就係佢兩隻手咧就不能夠合作，反而咧佢會 use in an identical manner instead of sharing the workload between them。For example， 當我哋想倒一杯水，正常就係可能你我會點倒咧？我右腰噶嘛，咁我右腰嘅話，我就會左手揸住隻杯啦。右手揸住個water jar 啦，咁就會右手傾斜個 water jar，咁啲水就會倒落左手隻杯度。咁呢個就係一個正常人 bimanual coordination 會做到嘅嘢啦。咁但係呢個有 SMA lesion 嘅 patient 咧，佢就會做唔到呢樣嘢。佢可能永遠都淨係可以兩隻手做緊同一樣嘅動作。譬如佢左手遞起個 jar 想倒水嘅時候咧，佢右手會將隻杯都遞起埋，咁佢水就倒唔到啦。因為而家你個水樽同埋你個水杯就喺同一個 level 啊嘛，係啦。咁所以咧 bimanual coordination 咧係好 central to 我哋嘅 daily life 嘅一個 fundamental function 嚟嘅。好啦，咁 supplementary motor area 咧又大概講完啦喎。嗱，我再 summarize 多一次最重要嘅 point。premotor area 係 selection of programs motor program based on external cues。supplementary motor area selection of motor programs based on internal cues， 一啲 remembered 嘅 sequence， 而唔係 externally 去 stimulate 我哋 generate 嘅 movement。OK， 好啦，第四個 area 咧叫 frontal eye field。嗱，其實呢個咧有啲人會當佢係 都係一啲 premotor area 嘅一部分啦。但係點解我要 highlight 呢個 frontal eye field 咧？就係因為其實我哋嘅 primary motor cortex 咧係冇 direct projection 去我哋 extraocular muscle 去 control 佢嘅 movement 㗎。點解我哋要另一個 area 去 control 咧？因為我哋 extraocular muscle 其實我哋好少或者甚至乎係唔會 individually 咁去 activate 佢㗎嘛。點解？因為我哋所有大部分嘅 gaze action 都係 conjugate 㗎嘛。咩叫 conjugate 咧？即係兩隻眼同時望去同一個方向咯。有啲咩係 unconjugated 嘅 gaze 咧？譬如 vergence movement， 即係話我哋兩隻眼鬥雞眼望向一個近嘅時候，就係一個 disconjugate 或者 unconjugate 嘅 movement 啦。咁而 frontal eye field 咧就係 responsible for 一個 conjugate eye movement，particularly 咧係 saccadic 嘅 eye movement。嗱咁 saccade 咧，之前我喺應該係 Pons 嘅第二條片就已經詳細講過㗎啦。咁嗰個 brainstem pathway 咧，我唔會再詳細 reiterate 㗎啦。咁大家有興趣再翻返去嗰度睇啦。咁但 basically 咧 frontal eye field 咧就係喺嗰個 middle frontal gyrus 嗰度啦，佢係 rostral to 個 premotor cortex 嘅。嗱，又俾大家睇圖啦。嗱，睇下先，呢度嘛，嗱呢度係個 premotor cortex 啊嘛，呢度 primary motor area 啊嘛。frontal eye field 咧就係呢一度呢一撇嘢，係啦，佢喺個 middle frontal gyrus 嗰度嘅。嗱，我哋會叫 frontal eye field 做 Brodmann area 8啦，但係咧其實佢就純粹係 part of Brodmann area 8，佢唔係成個 Brodmann area 8嚟嘅，佢純粹 occupy 咗 part of 個 BA8 啫。佢咧係 tonically active bilaterally 嘅，即係佢長，即係佢點講好咧？你喺 resting 嘅時候，即使你冇 initiate 一個 saccade 咧，其實佢嘅 cell column 咧都係 continuously 有一個 basal rate of firing 嘅。咁當然啦，你可以再細分 frontal eye field into 幾個唔同嘅 region，middle、upper 同埋 lower 啦。middle region 就係 for horizontal 嘅 saccade啦，upper region 就係 for downward，lower region 就係 for upward 嘅 saccade啦。咁但係我自己覺得呢個就已經太過 detail 啦。咁大家有興趣嘅話，自己再去睇 reference book 啦。呢幾個好似淨係其中一本 reference book 有講，因為 Fistro。係啦，咁大家可以去睇翻我本書啦。好啦，佢有啲咩 afferent connection 啊 ？afferent 又係 prefrontal 啦 ，to do or not to do 啦，應唔應該 initiate 呢個 saccade 啦 ？parietal association cortex 咧就係去點講好啊 ？initiate 一個 saccade in response to external 嘅 visual cues 啦，即係譬如突然間無啦啦可能出邊有啲嘢飛過咁樣。咁突然間有盞燈閃一閃，咁你就會 reflexively 咁樣咧，就 generate 一個 saccade望過去嗰個 visual stimulus 嘅地方，咁就需要 connections with 個 parietal association cortex 啦。好啦 efferent connection 當然最重要就係 project 到 contralateral 嘅 PPRF 啦。記唔記得咩 PPRF 啊 ？Paramedian pontine reticular formation 啊嘛。PPRF 就會再 project 去 ipsilateral 嘅 abducens nucleus，abducens nucleus 再 project 去 ipsilateral 嘅lateral rectus 啦，同埋有個 internuclear neuron project 去 contralateral 嘅 third nucleus 啊嘛 oculomotor 啊嘛，咁佢就會 initiate 一個 conjugate gaze towards 個 PPRF 嗰一邊啊嘛。咁但係而家 FEF 係 project 到 contralateral 嘅 PPRF 啊嘛，所以如果我哋 FEF 有個 firing 嘅話咧，佢就會導致個 saccade towards contralateral 嘅 side 咯，係啦。voluntary saccadic eye movement towards contralateral 嘅 visual hemifield 咯。咁當然啦，頭先我哋講過有 upward 同埋 downward 嘅 eye movement 都係關 FEF 事噶嘛。咁所以佢都會 project 去一啲 vertical saccade centre analogous to PPRF，mostly located in 個 rostral midbrain 啦，嗰啲咩 RIMLF 啊，嗰啲咩 rostral interstitial nucleus of medial longitudinal fasciculus 啊，係啦。咁大家有興趣嘅話就自己再去睇書啦，呢度唔詳細講啦。好啦 lesion of FEF 會發生咩事啊？Most prominently 當然係 defects of voluntary saccade initiation 啦 ，cannot initiate 一個 saccade towards 個 contralateral hemifield。咁但係因為我哋個 FEF 係 tonically active 噶嘛，咁你 lesion 咗一邊就即係話其中一邊嘅 tonic activity 都冇咗喎，咁即係話我哋會有 eye 嘅 deviation 咯 eye deviation 咧，佢就會 deviate towards 個 side of lesion， 因為而家係另一邊嘅 frontal eye field 係 unopposed 嘅 action 啊嘛，就好似你 tongue deviation 嗰個例子咁樣，另一邊嘅 genial glossus 有 unopposed 嘅 activation， 係啦。咁所以咧，如果你有一個 lesion 咧，你有 lesion at 右邊嘅 frontal eye field 啦，你隻眼會 deviate 去邊度啊？你隻眼係 deviate去右邊喎，因為我哋係左邊嘅 frontal eye field 冇事，所以佢 tonic activity 係 maintained， 就令到你嘅 eye 係 drift towards contralateral side 啊嘛。咁呢個咧，其實我哋亦都有一個好得意嘅名叫咩 right way eyes。呢個 clinical 嘅 phenomenon 嚟嘅。咁咩叫 right way eyes 咧？就係通常我哋即係有啲 patient 佢有一個 cortical 嘅 stroke 啦。咁你有 stroke 嘅時候，你通常 involve 一個比較 widespread 嘅 area 噶嘛，可能你 MCA stroke 咁樣。咁你 MCA stroke 咧，你可能 involve 咗個即係 lateral part of 個 M1 cortex 啦，你 lead to 即係一啲upper limb 嘅 paralysis 啦。咁然之後你又再加埋 involve 到前面嗰啲咩 frontal eye field 又 premotor cortex。咁咧你又會有 eye deviation， 又會有 body 嘅 paralysis 喎。嗱，我而家當你right-sided 嘅 stroke 啦，咁你就會有 left-sided 嘅 paralysis 啦，係咪？咁但係你隻眼係 deviate towards 邊一邊啊？係 deviate towards right 喎。咁所以咧 in this situation 咧，你就會有一個 deviation of eye away from 個 side of paralysis towards 個 lesion 啦。而 clinically 咧，當我哋隻眼嘅 deviation 係 look away from 個 paralyzed side 咧，呢個咧我哋就叫佢 right way eyes。咁有 right way eyes 自然會有 wrong way eyes 㗎啦。咁 wrong way eyes 有啲咩例子咧？嗱，大家可以自己去查下咩叫 wrong way eyes。有一個 syndrome 叫 Pontine wrong way eye syndrome。點解咧？咁大家可以自己去查下啦。咁其實有興趣咧都可以去睇翻，應該係 Pons 嗰條片，我覺得應該有講嗰啲類似嘅 concept， 但我冇 explicitly mention 個 right way 同埋 wrong way eyes 呢個 concept。好啦，而 FEF 嘅 lesion 咧 deficit 通常係 temporary 嘅，即係佢過咗一陣咧，佢會自己 recover 嘅，唔知點解嘅。咁即係應該係可能其他 cortical 嘅 area compensate 咗 for 佢嘅 action， 或者自己 local 嘅 plasticity 嘅緣故啦。咁我唔知啦。咁但係咧，如果我哋一個 FEF 再加 superior colliculus 嘅 lesion 咧，同時 lesion 晒兩個咧，咁就會導致一個 permanent 嘅 eye movement deficit 啦。好啦，講完 frontal eye field， 最後 involved in movement 嘅 area 咧，仲有我哋嘅 higher association cortex。嗱，呢啲就係留翻遲啲 video 先再講啦，因為呢個咧已經唔係一個 purely 關 motor 嘅 cortex 嚟㗎啦 ，including 我哋嘅 prefrontal cortex 啦，是咧一個 appropriate action for a particular behavioural context。例如，即係譬如你喺 exam hall 嘅時候，咁正常嘅人就會即係安靜啦，擺好啲文具啦，準備做卷啦。咁呢個就係 observe 一個 behavioural 嘅 context 啊嘛。咁如果你唔個 prefrontal cortex 有問題嘅話，你咪唔識得 observe 呢個 behavioural context， 你咪會做啲奇奇怪怪嘅動作咯。例如無啦啦喺個 exam hall 度企喺度大叫啊，企喺張台度跳舞啊。即係簡單講，如果你 prefrontal cortex 有事嘅咧，就係我而家俗稱嘅鉗咯。即係呢啲鉗嘅人就係 prefrontal cortex 有事，唔識 observe 而家個 context 係咩，就做啲 out of context 嘅行動啊嘛。就係我哋所謂嘅，即係 let the intrusive thoughts win 啊嘛。咁所以 prefrontal cortex 咧，其實佢係一個 inhibitory effect on widespread 嘅 cortical area。你一旦 lift 咗呢個 inhibition 咧，佢就會做一啲唔 appropriate to behavioural context 嘅 action 啦。好啦，咁 parietal cortex 係做咩咧？嗱，第一佢 contain abstract representation of learned complex movement 啦，佢就會 project 去邊度啊？去 SMA for kinematic dynamic transformation 啊嘛。另外咧，佢都會 ensure movement 係 targeted accurately based on external space， 就即係我哋頭先講嘅 premotor cortex receive sensory information 嗰度咯。係啦，咁呢啲 high area 咧就 discussion for another video 啦。好啦，我哋嘗試一個 overall view of 個 motor control， 但係咧係 complicated 嘅，因為咧 at this stage 我哋仲有好多嘢未知啦，即係包括我哋未 discuss basal ganglia， 或者亦都未 discuss cerebellum。supposedly 喺我哋 curriculum 裏邊咧 cerebellum 係 happen before cortex 嘅，但係因為我未拍 cerebellum 嘅片，係啦，咁所以我哋都未講嗰啲。咁所以咧，如果我哋要成個 idea of the whole process of motor control from the idea of initiating a movement to actual execution 咧，我哋只能夠做一個 rough 嘅 outline。嗱 ，idea and intention 就係 by 個 prefrontal cortex 啦，包括而家情況是否許可啊，係唔係合適嘅場合啊？如果係嘅話，就去 planning 咯。planning 係由邊度做啊 ？premotor 啦、SMA 啦、parietal 啦。呢一啲嘢咧就 work together。parietal 可能 project 去前面啦。如果係即係 sensory motor control 嘅話，然之後如果係 internally generated movement 嘅話，就 project 去 SMA 啦，俾啲 abstract representation 佢啊嘛。好啦，然後同時咧啲 association cortex 咧 ，including parietal cortex 咧，又有 project 佢個 basal ganglia， 俾佢 select 同埋 refine 我哋 desire 嘅 movement 咯。因為有時可能我哋會點講好咧？你當個 parietal cortex 一次過 project 得太多 information 俾佢啦，咁我哋就由個 basal ganglia 咧去 filter out 一啲 undesired 嘅 motor program， 咁就抌翻俾個 SMA 或者抌翻俾個 premotor cortex， 應該係抌翻俾 SMA 嘅，係啦。咁所以咧 movement 嘅 selection 咧就係靠 basal ganglia。Step 2同3咧 likely 係 happen simultaneous 嘅其實，然後就 prediction and refinement 啦。嗱呢個咧就係一個比較 late 嘅consequence 嚟㗎啦，即係簡單講就係你臨開始個 movement 嘅時候咧，先至會有一個 corollary discharge of 個 motor information， 有一個 motor copy send to 個 cerebellum， 個 cerebellum 再 feedback 翻俾個 M1 cortex 去即係做一個 feed forward control 嘅。但係呢個其實我讀咗成年我都唔知道 exactly 個 sequence 應該點樣，咁所以你信我一半啦，係啊，即係我讀咗成年其實都唔係好知讀嗰啲咩嘅，即係對於 motor control 係十分 confusing。咁 anyway 啦，經過 prediction and refinement 之後，我哋就有一個 actual 嘅 execution 啦。咁就係 M1 brainstem spinal cord， 即係嗰啲 UMN 同埋 LMN 去 actually execute 個 movement，innervate 啲 muscle 啦。咁最後亦都有一啲 ongoing 嘅 modulation， 包括 basal ganglia continuously 咁樣 filter out 一啲 unwanted 嘅 motor movement 或者 motor program。cerebellum continuously 咁樣 modulate 我哋嘅即係一啲 feedback control 啦。另外 parietal lobe 就係 for 一啲 visually guided 嘅 feedback 咁樣樣。咁呢啲就係一啲 ongoing 嘅 modulation for 我哋嘅 ongoing movement。好啦，咁呢個就係 at this stage 我能夠俾到大家最完備嘅一個 outline of motor control 啦。好啦，最後咧又講多少少關 neurophysiology 嘅嘢啦。呢個就好簡單嘅啫。咁呢度好大個圖好多字，咁我純粹喺本書度 copy 出嚟嘅啫，大家冇必要睇晒嘅。咁但係我哋就想講就係其實 motor cortex 咧都可以有 plasticity 嘅喎。咁呢個 experiment 其實就係講緊咧，即係啲譬如玩小提琴嗰啲，即係嗰啲小提琴家啦，咁佢係咁喺度練嘅話咧，佢可以練到個尾指，即係個 pinky finger 咧喺個 motor cortex 嗰度嘅 representation 咧係大咗嘅喎。即係話咧，原本可能正常人個即係 pinky 嘅 representation 係好細啦，但係經過訓練之後咧，佢會有一個更加大嘅 area 係 represent 咗我哋嘅 pinky finger 喎。咁呢個就係其中一個 example of 即係 cortical plasticity 啦。咁至於啲 detail 你有興趣自己去睇下，呢個應該係Principles of Neuroscience 嗰個 copy 出嚟嘅。咁咧，即係另外一啲 example of plasticity 咧，就係即係或者 differences in 個 motor cortex 啦，in left and right hemisphere 啦，就大部分右腰嘅人，因為我哋右腰嘅人就經常用隻右手去做一啲 more complicated 嘅 movement 啊嘛，例如寫字啊、彈琴啊、play 一啲 instrument 啊，我哋都會 mainly 去用我哋嘅右手嘛。咁所以我哋右手嘅 motor cortex representation for the hand 咧係 likely 係大過左手嘅。反而咧有啲左腰嘅人，佢經常用左手去做一啲 complex movement 咧，佢左手邊嘅 motor representation for the hand in 個 M1 cortex 咧又會大啲。咁所以其實我哋嘅 motor cortex 咧 just like the sensory cortex 亦都可以有 plasticity 嘅，係啦。好啦，咁 basically 咧 motor control 就講到呢度啦。咁呢個係一個唔係好完整嘅 picture about motor control 啦，因為 motor control 最完整嘅 picture 就要 include 晒所有呢啲嘢啊嘛。咁但係佢最大嘅問題就係咩咧？At least 我自己到而家啦，我讀咗成年 neuroanatomy 啦，我都唔係好清楚個 sequence of events 係點樣發生。即係當然我知道 idea and intention 一定係最早開始啦 ，planning 亦都係比較早嘅部分啦。咁但係到咗 basal ganglia、cerebellum 呢啲，佢係咩時候開始咧？佢係 just prior to movement 啦，還是係 during movement 咧？即係嗰啲咩 feed forward 嘅 command 個 cerebellum 係幾時俾到個 M1 cortex 咧？嗰啲咩 corollary discharge 個咩 efferent copy 係幾時抌落去個 cerebellum 嗰度？幾時 feed 翻上去咧？咁呢啲其實讀咗成年，揾咗咁多書，揾咗咁多 paper，最終都係冇答案。咁我覺得即係呢個已經係我能夠 provide 到最好嘅一個 overview 俾大家。咁啊就係啦，咁啊遲啲會再講多啲關於 motor control 啦。咁但係 basically 因為即係我哋 cortex 嘅嘢咧，只會越講越難嘅啫。咁所以係啦，我都盡咗力㗎啦。咁希望大家明白我講緊啲咩啦。咁啊最重要關於呢個video 嘅 takeaway 就係 primary motor cortex、premotor cortex 同埋 supplementary motor cortex 各自 function 上嘅分別，同埋 lesion 咗會發生啲咩事，好冇？好啦，咁呢個 video 咧就去到呢度。Thank you。